Ever wondered if your money is truly safe in a digital bank? It's a question that keeps many business owners up at night, especially in an age where financial technology, or fintech, is rapidly reshaping how we manage our finances. We're constantly bombarded with slick new apps and innovative platforms promising to revolutionize banking. But when it comes to the bedrock of any financial relationship, security, how do these modern solutions stack up against the tried and true traditional banks? For decades, the image of a brick-and-mortar bank with massive vaults and layers of security protocols provided a tangible sense of safety. You could walk in, speak to a human, and feel a physical connection to your money. But with the rise of digital-first platforms, that physical presence has been replaced by sleek interfaces and cloud-based infrastructure. This shift brings immense convenience, lower fees, and often, more intuitive financial management tools. However, it also introduces new questions and, for some, new anxieties. Are these digital banks just tech companies playing at finance, or do they offer the same, or even superior, levels of protection as their traditional counterparts? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on one such prominent fintech player, Relay. Specifically, we're going to deep dive into the question, how secure is Relay Bank? We'll explore their foundational security measures, their adherence to industry regulations, how they protect your data, their fraud prevention strategies, and what you, as a user, can do to enhance your own security. First, let's establish a fundamental point of clarity. Relay is a financial technology company, not a chartered bank in the traditional sense. This is a crucial distinction. Instead of holding your deposits themselves, Relay partners with FDIC-insured banks to provide banking services. Currently, their primary partner bank is Thread Bank, a member FDIC institution. This partnership is what grants Relay users access to FDIC insurance, which is a cornerstone of banking security in the United States. What does FDIC insurance mean for you? The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation is a U.S. government corporation that protects depositors in the event of a bank failure. The standard FDIC insurance coverage is up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. Here's where Relay offers a significant advantage for businesses. Through an insured cash sweep program managed by Thread Bank, Relay customers are insured for deposits up to an impressive $3 million. This vastly expanded coverage is a major differentiator and provides a substantial layer of protection that often exceeds what you'd find at a single traditional bank. So, even if Thread Bank were to fail, your eligible deposits up to $3 million would be protected. This is a powerful testament to the underlying security of funds held with Relay. Beyond the vital FDIC insurance, let's talk about the technical safeguards Relay employs to protect your account and data. In the digital realm, encryption is paramount, and Relay utilizes industry-standard encryption protocols to ensure that your data is secure both when it's stored and when it's in transit. Specifically, they use AES 256 GCM for data at rest encryption and enforce TLS 1.2 or better with forward secrecy for in-transit encryption. These are robust, modern encryption standards designed to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Think of it like a digital fortress with multiple, reinforced layers of security for your financial information. Their infrastructure is also built with security in mind. Relay continuously monitors its platform and logs all points of access using tools like CloudWatch and CloudTrail. This proactive monitoring allows their security team to be immediately alerted to any unusual behavior or potential incidents, enabling a rapid response. It's like having a dedicated security team constantly watching for any anomalies or threats within their digital environment. Employee security is another critical aspect. After all, even the most advanced tech can be compromised by human error or malicious intent. Relay addresses this by requiring all employees to undergo background checks and comprehensive security training. Furthermore, employee access to internal systems is managed through zero-trust tunnels, meaning no one is inherently trusted, and all activity is logged and monitored. They also adhere to the principle of least privilege, ensuring employees only have access to the information and systems absolutely necessary for their job functions. This significantly reduces the risk of internal breaches. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.